Hello and welcome back again to the course Comprehensive Slope Stability Analysis using PLAXIS 2D. This is tutorial 35, Stability Improvement of Slope using Anti-Slide Piles in PLAXIS 2D. So in this lecture I will show you how we can do slope stability analysis with improvement using anti-slide piles. So as you can see in these two figures, anti-slide piles are normal piles. They may be circular, cross-section or rectangular, and they are driven in a row, maybe sometimes at the toe of the slope, or sometimes near the crest, or maybe sometimes at in the middle of the slope. So using these driven piles, the stability of the slope is improved and the safety factor is increased. So in this lecture I will shortly talk about this improvement method for slope protection and how they can be modeled in PLAXIS 2D, and the material properties for this type of piles. So what are these anti-slide piles? And anti-slide piles are normal piles which are a structural member. They are installed within unstable or potentially unstable slopes to resist the horizontal or lateral movement of a soil and improve the stability of the slope. So as you can see, these are the two slopes. One of them is unreinforced slope, one of them is reinforced with this anti-slide slope at the middle of the slope. So by inclusion or reinforcing the slope with these types of pile, they act as a retaining member that transfer the sliding forces from the soil mass into a deeper or more stable soil layers through or by bending or shear resistance. So as you can see in the first, which is unreinforced slope, you can see there is a shallow failure surface of the slope, but after installation of these anti-slide piles, we can see the failure surface goes deeper due to these rows of anti-slide piles which act as a retaining structure. So by providing additional when we install these anti-slide piles, they provide additional resistance force against these driving forces of the slope. So these types of improvement or these types of piles for stabilization of the slope are commonly used in areas where landslides or steep slopes or soft soil condition pose stability concern. So how can we model these anti-slide pile in PLAXIS 2D? There is a feature which is called embedded beam in PLAXIS 2D, and these anti-slide piles or even normal piles can be modeled using this embedded beam, which allows the simulation of the pile and also considering the pile soil structure interaction through axial bending and shear behavior. So in PLAXIS 2D, in PLAXIS, or maybe in general in PLAXIS, this embedded beam is modeled as a beam element, and that can pass through a soil in any direction. So first we can see the safety factor is about 2. which is equal 1.986, and in case of unreinforced soil, the safety factor is 1.439. So we can see how the safety factor is improved after installation of anti-slide piles. Connection and reanalysis again. So this was for this lecture. I hope it was clear and useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.